for using a burette. Here is what you're going to need: a burette stand, a burette, a funnel, a waste beaker, the liquid going into your burette, and deionized water with it. Take your burette and mount it in the stand. Place your waste beaker under the tip of the burette. When the stopcock on the burette is turned in this direction, it allows liquid to flow through. When the stopcock is in this position, it stops the flow of liquid. Now fill the burette with your liquid. You do not have to be super precise with this. Open the stopcock to let a steady flow of liquid through. There are commonly bubbles trapped in the tip of the burette. These bubbles can throw off the precision of your measurements, so it is important to get them out. Give the burette a few light flicks with your finger to remove the bubbles. Once the bubbles are cleared, turn the stopcock. Now fill your burette to your desired initial volume. I like to fill mine up past the 0 mark, then run the burette down to my initial mark at 0. Once you have recorded the initial volume, you are ready to use your burette. Place the container you wish to deliver your liquid to underneath the burette. Open the stopcock and allow the liquid to run. Keep a close eye on the liquid's meniscus to make sure you don't go past your mark. Once you get close to your desired volume, turn the stopcock slightly to slow the flow of liquid. Keep turning it to get slower and slower until you have the amount that you want. Once you have your desired volume, make sure to touch the tip of the burette to the side of the transfer container to transfer the last bit of liquid. If you didn't start at 0, make sure you take your final volume minus your initial volume for the amount transferred. Just remember to use the correct number of significant figures. Since there are graduated lines for every tenth of a milliliter, we are going to record to the nearest 100th of a milliliter for the correct number of significant figures.
How to read a burette. Here we have a 50 ml burette, and unlike other volumetric instruments such as the graduated cylinder, burettes are read by reading the empty space above the liquid. So here we have our 1 ml increment, 43 to 44, 45, those are our numbered increments. And the next thing we need to do is determine the value of the unnumbered marks. And between 43 and 44 we have 10 marks, so therefore we would say that each unnumbered mark has a value of 0.1 milliliter. Now we take our eye, put it at the level of the meniscus, and we need to estimate our last digit, and that will be up to you, the observer. Here the bottom of our meniscus lies between 43.5 and 43.6. My estimation would be 43.56 milliliters.